So hi, awesome ones. All right, so how many of you are feeling kind of in a rut right about now? Well, I assure you, you're not alone. So what I decided to do in this video is really help you to get a little more pep in your step by maybe changing out the way you're dressing. Now, these are only my suggestions, and I always say be authentically you. But if you're looking for a bit of a refresh, I really think these styling tips are going to help. All right, so let's start with tip number one. Most of us know that the classy kind of look is now trending, but let's not mistake that for our old business outfits. Here I have the business look, with the oversized outfit. That was popular back in the day. And with classic looks trending, you may want to dig these out of your closet. But today's classic trend is more form-fitting, and the bowed blouse should be left in the past. Here I have a look that makes you feel more like a woman and a lot more youthful. Even the color of the blazer is better for me, and it's about $58 and available in 23 colors. And although wide pants are popular, so are straight legs. And a pair of dark wash stretchy jeans like these from Lee for about $33, because last time I checked they're 23% off, are a more youthful addition. Pink is always uplifting, and the pink cami, slingback shoes, and purse really polish off the look. Next, let's talk about jewelry, because wearing a lot of baubles and bangles and beads, it just makes you look aged. So let's take a look at what I mean. Here I have a look that's a bit of a blast from the past. Big, in-your-face jewelry and necklaces, earrings, and even bangles. It's just going to put a more older look to your outfit. And here I have a simple chain necklace for about $17.99 and hoop earrings that I am happy to say have clasps in the back, so they're easy to put on and off. They're around $14 and 14 karat gold plated. This is just enough jewelry to look stylish and on trend. And by the way, I'll have most of the after fashions that I'm showing in the comments and also underneath the video description. But if you want to see a lot of my favorites, they're at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50. I not only have fashions there, but I've got my skincare that I love, makeup, and even housewares. So enjoy. All right, but let's get to the next tip, and it's all about leisure wear. Now, I know that leisure wear, that can be a staple in all of our wardrobes, but it shouldn't be the outfits that you wear all the time. Kind of save it for grocery shopping or going on errands, and also make sure that it still has a polished look. All right, so let's take a look at the before picture when it really isn't that polished. It's kind of dowdy and aging. So here is the classic leisure look that many wear at home, but then I think it's okay to wear to the hairstylist or other places. If you're wearing this out, I'm pretty sure you're in a rut. And what's the point of getting a new hairdo when you're wearing a I don't care outfit like this? Now, this is what I call a leisure outfit. It's really stretchy, available in 14 colors, and it's a stylish two-piece outfit. I love the zippered neckline, and it's also lightweight without fleece lining, so it's comfortable to wear for all seasons. And the best part is that this comfy, fashionable outfit is only $56 for both pieces combined. You can also wear the top and the pants with other pieces to expand your wardrobe choices. And if you like videos like these made by a woman who is certainly not in her 20s anymore, I would love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere. And don't forget to click on the notification bell. All right. Next, this is a time where the woman is really trying hard to look younger, but she's actually looking older. Let's take a look and see what I mean. So I bought these faux leather leggings, and if I were to wear them like this with this top, as most of the younger women are doing, I just look like an older woman trying too hard to regain her youth, or even looking cougary, if cougary is a word. Anyway, leggings are still okay, but the truth is I've moved away from the faux leather ones that make a kind of scrunching sound when I move. These black leggings from Belief are absolutely my go-to and perfect for $30. They have pockets, tummy control, and lots of stretch. I love this classy top that covers my butt and front for $24 and is available in 11 colors. The neck detail and the side buttons give me a youthful vibe without looking like I'm trying too hard to look young. And by the way, don't forget to stay till the end when I'm going to have my inspirational message for you. And hey, have you checked out my new masterclass? It's at awesomeover50.com/ageless transformation. And read right through to the end because it talks about, these are step-by-step tutorials for you. There's some homework there, and it's all about skincare. It's about decluttering. It's about hair care, styling, and even 3 different types of makeup applications. So yeah, don't forget to check that out. It took me about 3 months of Saturdays, and I'm really, really excited about it. So enjoy. All right, so let's take a look at my next tip. It's all about color choices. And as we age, our complexion changes, and for a lot of us, so does our hair, right? And so in the next videos, what I'm going to show you, I'm going to put on some color swatches, and I'm going to show you how with my complexion and my hair, it really, really changes things up. Now, for you might look differently than me, so just go ahead and try different colors in your wardrobe and kind of find out how they look on you. And if you don't have all the colors that you want to take a look at, maybe just go to a department store and kind of do the tests there. I found out that jewel tones are really, really great for the way I look now, and back in the past, they were really not my choices. So anyway, let's take a look at the before and after videos. So let's take a look at how black against my skin kind of washes me out and shows my complexion as pale and older. While the blue, it really does light up my face and eyes. Now, I could still wear a black blazer, but a blue shirt underneath would really perk up my face. All right, next let's look at a beige color. It does nothing for me, but the red, wow, I have a rosy glow, and even my hair color stands out. Now, I didn't want to do a lot of these color swatches because this is just me. So have fun trying out different colors and finding out what gives you a youthful glow. And stay tuned for next week's video where I'm going to show you old makeup techniques and how they're making you look older, and also some of the youthful discoveries that I found. All right, so for my next tip, we all know that wide leg pants, they're really trending, but for a lot of us women, they're making us look dowdy and old. And by the way, I'm going to show some white pants in the next video, and by all means, wear white after Labor Day. It's absolutely, totally acceptable. So here I'm wearing wide leg white pants, but let's face it, unless I was super thin, and I know most of us at our age aren't, these pants look dowdy and they're aging me. I also added a cardigan that added to the dowdiness. Now, check out my newest NYDJ white jeans. They've got tummy control and stretch, and last time I checked, they were 35% off at $77. And this might be a great time to get these fabulous stretchy jeans in your wardrobe. They look great with this tweed style blazer, That, the last time I checked, was just $51 at 36% off. And don't forget to always measure yourself for sizing. This, along with my Michael Kors purse and naturalizer pumps, makes for a fabulous, classic outfit that certainly doesn't make me look frumpy. Now I get it. Sometimes we feel like, our bones are older and our get up and go just got up and went. And I felt like that last week. I don't know, I had some stomach problems and I just kind of dragged my butt around the house, in my old robe. But then I got invited to a premiere of a movie and I just started getting my clothes together. I got my red beret out, I got my red purse out, I got a great fabulous outfit to wear, and I just felt like, I'm gonna look awesome and I'm gonna feel great. And I even added some red boots to make it a little bit more of a dynamite look. So how was my stomach? Well, it's really funny that you should ask, because I didn't even think about it when I was ordering chicken wings at the restaurant. And then when we got to the theater, they comped up free soda and free popcorn, and I even indulged in that. Now, I'm not saying that getting out of a aging, dowdy kind of rut is going to heal all ailments, but I gotta tell you, once I got dressed up and I felt a little bit of style and a little bit of pizzazz, my mindset, it really changed, and I was ready to head out into the town. I certainly know that getting out of those old dowdy clothes and getting into a more refreshed look, it really helps you to feel and look a little more youthful. And if mindset matters, it might even help you on the inside as well. All right, so don't forget that next week I'm going to have another aging video for you, and it's all about how you wear your makeup. But in the meantime, don't forget to keep it awesome.